Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to start. Select the cell where you want the link. Click once to activate it or double-click to edit inline. If you prefer a formula, type equals hyperlink and pause. This method gives control over display text. Make sure your destination URL or sheet range is copied to clipboard so you avoid typos. Once selected, choose Insert Link from the menu or continue building the equals hyperlink. URL, label, formula. Both achieve the same result. Now add the link. Choose Insert Link, paste the URL, or type a sheet name and range to create an intrasheet link. Sheets will suggest matching ranges. If you're using a formula, complete equals hyperlink. https://example. Com, label, and press enter. You can also link to email with mailto address at example. Com. Once done, click the cell, use Ctrl+click if inline editing is active to verify the target opens. Make sure the display text is descriptive so viewers know what to expect. Finish by refining and testing. Build dynamic links using equals hyperlink. https://site. com/na2a2 to pull values from other cells. To change a link, right-click the cell and choose Edit Link or Remove Link to start over. If clicking fails, make sure the URL has no leading /trailing spaces, that you're not blocked by sharing settings, and that the protocol https:// is included. If a sheet range link breaks,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.